about 6 a.m. We've got a whole lamb, about 37 pounds we're gonna cook over some coals in the backyard. Should take about 5 to 7 hours. Let's see how it goes. Beautiful.
Put this bad boy on something.
Yeah. I'll start drying it the fuck off.
Is that?
So let's start drying it off.
Close on, you throw a towel on his face, tell him to do it. Gotta get inside too, right?
Yep. Let's start this bitch.
Right?
Toss it. What the hell? Grody.
I think there's another onion in there too, so. Yeah, there's a little piece of onion right here.
It's okay.
Scoop it out.
Lots of liquid kind of underneath in that cavity. Wanna whack this? Bitch. Beautiful.
Clean as fuck.
Okay, if you can hold that, whack this a little bit.
Nice. Hit it closer to the plate. Nice.
Okay, it's coming down a little bit. There we go. The same thing on this side.
Open.
We did a damn good job there.
Yeah.
Right now we got the fire getting started. Cook this down, get some coals, and we'll throw the lamb on the top. What's up?
Somewhere there, there should be some. Actually, let me find them. I'll find.
I'm gonna you go to your left there, yeah. Go this way.
Or deep purple.
Okay,
Smoke
cool.
on the eyeball.
Yep. So you good there? You can adjust that so that fits on the left or your right.
That looks good.
Okay, looks good. All right, here's our homemade lamb over the fire setup. Yeah, looks pretty good. Oh, smoky.
It's got a crazy transition up the smoke, bro.
Yeah.
See here.
Okay, there it goes.
Whew.
Thank you.
Is that a whole tub of mayo already?
That's sour cream.
Okay. cooking this for?
We are at 5 hours and 40 minutes.
Nice. Yeah, bro. Toasty. Push it. Right there.
Yeah. No, seriously, yeah. Feel it like right here. You don't want to feel
He's
it?
gonna throw juice at me right now.
I feel like I've never been to this section of Costco where they sell
It's the business Costco.
Oh, it's like a whole different.
Yeah, the business Costco.
Just got a freezer full of bags.
Yeah.
You go further back, there's a whole cow.
Yeah. If you want to grab the cinder blocks, like slide them back.
And then slide it back in with the
Yeah. We're gonna flip it and then lower it.
over here too.
So wait, I can slide this one. Yeah, take it out.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. Just remove the top one. Actually.
Yeah,
And then-
just remove the tops altogether.
All right.
Thank you. All right. Let's flip this way.
Oh shit.
That was gonna fall off for a second. Pull that, me too, bro.
Is that good?
Dang, look at that.
All right, we're having a snack.
All the fat dripping into it. He's just smoking it up. Sorry, guys. You guys might smell like smoke.
Yeah. Too much?
Oh my.
Yeah. So this is.
That looks crazy. Wow. Oh man.
This is sick. Yo, look at the head.
That is crazy. Oh, the next one.
What do you
The neck,
have
yeah.
below it? What is that, like
Crazy.
wood?
Yeah.
Charcoal?
Yeah. So we went through a shit ton of
I've never
wood,
seen this before.
like hickory, cherry, apple, and then a bunch of charcoal.
Damn.
Have you guys done a flip on it?
Yes.
Okay.
So we cooked it for about 5 hours
5 hours.
on this side.
Nice.
So flipped. And we flipped it. We're at 6 hours 18 minutes right now.
That smells good.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is what you guys have been doing all day.
Yeah, all day.
The power of Christ compels you. The butter of Christ compels you, bro. The hating.
Sure.
Start sacking.
First, what I need to do is remove this. I was hoping it would have just come right off, but like that.
That's a big ass chicken leg.
There's one. You want to pull that one?
It's tendon.
Oh, beautiful. There you go. Do you want to souse those on the coals, please?
Oh.
Can I get the wings off?
Just straight up?
Or
Yes,
finish
please.
off these?
Yeah, go. I mean, we should be able to pull it.
Yeah, yeah. Right.
Yeah, go ahead. Beautiful.
What the fuck?
You wanna try?
I do.
Yo.
Grab it.
Yo.
Water, bro. Alright, see if you can wiggle
Okay.
the leg off.
So we got 2 racks over here.
Will I just grab it and just
Yeah,
like,
there should be like a joint here, so you can grab it there and here and try to like lever it.
Yo, Krista.
Yeah.
Oh,
Okay, that's yours.
shit, That's fucking crazy.
Alright, I'm gonna hold the spine and just pull.
Oh,
Oh, no.
don't worry, I'm not gonna cut you.
Gas.
There we go. That's the neck.
Neck. Chest.
I love it.
You want to try that, please?
You good?
Yeah, I'm good.
My bad.
I feel like I'd be cheating if I tried one.
No. You don't have to hold that anymore. So,
Fuck. Alright. Do you want me to grab another knife?
That's
Very
so
good.
Can you cut me a little piece of that?
yeah.
Yeah, I'll bring a knife from.
Wow.
Thank you, sir.
Mm-hmm. Yo, these legs, bro.
Some good stuff.
That's good.
It's still steaming too?
Wait.
But-
Can you,
There's another root.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
No, the legs.
The garbage can's a genius idea for brining it, though. Yeah.
No. So the cheat is to brine it and thaw it at the same time.
Yeah, how long would that take to defrost?
Like 2 days in a fridge,
Really?
or longer.
I'm guessing you don't have a fridge to put it in.
Oh, we don't.
You just went to Costco, you're like, let me get a lamb.
Yeah, the business Costco.
Or, you know.
Just put it on the board.
Yes,
Or like in the
sir.
center, I guess.
Thank you.
Do you guys want some more?
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Dude,
Yeah. Let's put the meat pieces in.
some of these pieces look very nice.
Oh, there?
That's probably my favorite so far.
Some skin here.
Is this a bone?
I feel like the ribs aren't worth separating, bro.
I know, they're really not, which is kind of weird.
That's good stuff.
And whoever wants to know on these, they can. Bro.
Yeah, pieces. You keep handing me stuff, it's gonna be gone by the time it's offered everyone else.
I know.
Is this on there?
What? Yes, it is.
Hello.
Oh no, the ribs are pretty close
Yeah?
to the shank, yeah.
Which one's
The
the
shank
lamb
was just so juicy. The legs right here.
Like the,
Yeah, this looks like duck breast, bro. So good.
it's really like finger licking. You know what I mean?
Really?
So you get all the
Totally
pieces.
Yes.
It's just fucking good.
Mm.
Alright,
There it is.
these are a bunch of like little pick pieces mixed from the leg.
Bill's fumbled again.
Are we just picking it out? Your fingers in? Yeah, go crazy. We're gonna bring
There.
it.
Thanks for coming by, bro. Appreciate it. Yes, sir.
Wow. Wow. Good to see ya. How you doing? Oh my gosh. Really good? Yeah. All right.
Yeah, this is crazy.
How is it? Should we just like
Excellent.
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, just grab a piece.
Just gonna grab
I'm
one.
literally just grabbing
Yeah.
whatever.
Like, feel free just to dig in. We're just cutting and
Respect to you guys. This is quite the endeavor. Hell of a feat.
I would say maybe
Hell of a few.
I mean, it's a
like
whole
that piece
ass
right there.
lamb,
Try that
bro.
piece.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I'll get that.
Anything
Zach,
here,
would you
just
like a
grab.
piece?
Thank you.
This will bring in for.
Got a rib. I did earlier.
Oh, these ones are for the curry?